I'm Bill Carvalho. I founded Wild Planet Foods in 2004, and we are in Northern California in the Redwood National Park that you see all around us here. I got into the seafood business in 1990, started a company that did all forms of seafood, and created a company that ended up becoming Wild Planet Foods in 2004. And that was because of my desire to communicate the need for the industry to take from the oceans while maintaining its wildness. My grandparents immigrated to Humboldt County right around World War I. They were from the Azores Islands. Those islands are fish-centric. And so Wild Planet is crafted after my family tradition. My Portuguese grandparents canned their own tuna, bringing home 400 pounds of tuna, cutting it up, putting it in the jars, cooking it in a pressure cooker in a glass mason jar. That's the tuna I was raised with, and when people eat that, they have a piece of my family history right in their kitchen. We source from small-scale fishermen all over the world. Here in the United States, Japan, Indonesia, Maldives. The criteria is, are they practicing the highest selective sustainable fishing? Our logo has the waves on top and then a leaf on the bottom. That was an intentional placement because our vision has always been to have the same environmental push that we have had at sea to shift to land-based products. So Wild Planet has tried to give guidance to consumers and provide only the best choices of sustainably sourced product, and also to eat more responsibly by shifting to things that are more abundant. Whole Foods is not compromising in order to allow business to come ahead of environment. And so Wild Planet views it as a privilege to work with Whole Foods to educate people as to what we should be putting our forks into so that the effects roll back to nature in a positive way. I once heard someone say, what kind of ancestors will we be? And that reminds me of the quote from Sitting Bull when he said, let's put our minds together and see what kind of future we can make for our grandchildren. I love that thought, that it's our responsibility right now to use wisdom to do the right thing by future generations. And it's our privilege to work with Whole Foods to help consumers make those choices.